Hey kidskodders, and welcome to Roblox Rookies. I'm your guide for today, and guess what? You are about to become a Roblox Master Builder. Ever played those super fun obstacle courses in Roblox, called Obbies? Where you jump from platform to platform? Well, today, we're not just playing one. We're building our very first one. It's easier than you think. Ready for your first mission, Master Builder? Let's go! First, you'll need Roblox Studio. If you don't have it, ask a grown-up to help you download it from the Roblox website. Once you have it, let's open it up. Woohoo! Welcome to Roblox Studio. This is like our builder's workshop. See all these choices? For our first obby, we want something simple. Let's click on Base Plate. It gives us a nice flat starting area and a sky. Awesome! Here's our world. It looks a bit empty now, but not for long. We've got our 3D view where we build, the explorer that lists everything in our game, and properties to change how things look and work. Don't worry, we'll learn these as we go. Okay, first step for our obby, we need a platform to jump on. Let's go up here to the Home tab and click this button, Part. Poof! A building block appears. This will be our first step. Now, let's move it. Select the Move tool up here. See these arrows? Click and drag the blue arrow to lift it off the ground. Click and drag the red or green arrows to move it sideways. Place it near where you start, but floating in the air a bit. It's a bit chunky, let's make it flatter like a stepping stone. Click the Scale tool. Now you see dots. Drag the dots to make it wider and thinner. Perfect! Super important step. If we play the game now, our platform will just fall. We need to anchor it. Think of it like gluing it to the air. Make sure your part is selected, it has the blue outline, then go up and click the Anchor button. It might look like a little anchor. Click. Now it's stuck in place. Let's make more steps. An easy way is to select your platform and press Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac to duplicate it. See, a copy appears. Now use the Move tool again to position this second step a little jump away from the first one. Make sure it's anchored too. Let's do that one more time. Great! Okay, where do players start? We need a spawn location. Let's delete the default one first. Find Spawn Location in the Explorer window, click it, and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Bye-bye. Now, go to the Model tab, click Spawn, and place this new pad right at the start of your path. Alright, Master Builder, moment of truth. Let's test our creation. Find the Play button up here and click it. Look! There's our character. Let's try the jumps. Careful. Woohoo! We made it. See? You built an obby. If you fall, don't worry, you'll just respawn back at the start. And just like that, Master Builder, you built your very first Roblox obby. You learned how to add parts, move and scale them, anchor them so they don't fall, and add a spawn point. That's amazing! You've taken your first big step into making awesome Roblox games. If you had fun building with me today, hit that like button and subscribe to kidskod so you don't miss our next Roblox Rookies adventure where we'll learn how to make parts change color. Keep building, keep coding, and I'll see you next time. by Kidscotters.